Okay, dear students, we will continue our topic. Dear friends, we will continue our lecture number 4 of research methodology. Previously, we have continued. Previously, we have seen that the steps of research, methods of research, all the objectives of research, and uh, the questions, multiple choice questions also we have solved. Now, in lecture number 4, we will continue the unit number 2. What is research design? How to do research design? That we will study here. So in that topic we have to see selection of problems, suitable approaches and methods, then meaning of research design, then need of research design, then features of good design, then importance concepts, actually it should be important concepts of research design, basic principles of experimental design, etc. So first topic of the second unit, research design, is definition of research design. How to design the research? A very difficult problem that follows the task of defining the research problem is the preparation of design of research project, popularly known as the research design. Nowadays, there is an increasing tendency on the part of the students and teachers to do research. Once the research project is identified and defined clearly, the next stage is to design the research. The research design provides complete guidelines for data collection. The research design has two main functions. First is identification or development of the functions and logistic arrangement of the study of the research, and second, importance of quality to ensure their validity, objectivity and accuracy. So these are the two basic things to be considered in research design. रिसर्च डिझाईन म्हणजे तुम्ही एखाद्या विषयाचं जे काही संशोधनासाठी टॉपिक हातात घेतलेला आहे त्या विषयाचं तुम्हाला पूर्ण संशोधन करण्यासाठी जे जे काही लागणार आहे माहिती किंवा पद्धत किंवा विजिट्स किंवा फील्ड्स किंवा इक्विपमेंट्स किंवा ग्लासवेअर्स किंवा लॅबोरेटरी मटेरियल्स किंवा फील्ड वर्क मटेरियल्स असं सगळं डाटा कलेक्ट करून किंवा तो डाटाची लिस्ट करून त्याचे सिस्टमॅटिक प्लॅनिंग करावं लागेल. त्याला म्हणायचं डिझाईन, रिसर्च डिझाईन. आणि मग त्या पद्धतीने तुम्हाला कामाला लागावं लागेल. मग सिलेक्शन ऑफ प्रॉब्लेम, सुटेबल अप्रोच अँड मेथड्स. एखादा प्रॉब्लेम तुम्ही निवडला, देर आर व्हेरियस टाइप्स ऑफ रिसर्च प्रॉब्लेम्स. What are educational characteristics of gifted learning disabled students in middle scheme? पहिली गोष्ट. दुसरं, कम्प्युटराइज्ड ड्रिल्स वर्सेस फ्लॅश cards to help students with learning disability for remembering the addition, the subtraction, etc. Then computer aiming and effect of reading. Effect of reading. Thus, there are some characteristics of good research problem, that is, it should be uh, uh, researchable. The problem has theoretical or practical significance. It is a good problem for you. Second, meaning of research design. Preparation of research design and formation and definition of research problem is really a very difficult task. Decisions regarding what, where, when, how much, by what means concerning an inquiry or a research study constitute research design. An architect prepares the blueprint before he approaches the constructions. An army prepares strategy plan before the or launching an attack. Likewise, a researcher makes a plan of his study before he undertakes research work. This is beneficial to save the time and resources. Such a plan of study is known as research design. There are some important questions while preparing research design. That is, what is the study about? What is the study being made? Where will the study be carried out? What type of data is required? Where this data will find? What is the time of period of study? Then what are the techniques of data collection? how data will be analyzed, in what style the report will be prepared. So these are the topics, or these are the important questions while preparing the design, and we have to go through the answers of these questions is nothing but the preparation of data. Set 2.3 is the need of research design to find out the actual way in the main part of research design. All the information related to research is included in it. How researcher can find out conclusions is main idea of research design. After finalize the research topic, collection of correct information is important for the conclusion. Hence, the techniques and devices are to be needed. So here we can conclude our this a small session. We'll continue next topic in the next period. Till then, now we will have a break here.